This is what you're doing today to get better at boxing on the heavy bag specifically. If you don't have access to a heavy bag, you can do the shadow boxing as well, but I'm going to demonstrate on the heavy bag for you. It is our combination this week. It's just the 1-2, but however, today is head movement emphasis. So we're going to have a head movement in between the 1 and the 2. So if you notice here, I'm going to go ahead and shoot a jab, change positions, shoot that right hand. We have head movement emphasis today. So our exit is going to be with our head movement, which means we're going to roll under before we go ahead and get out. So I'm coming, jab, dip, there, roll, then go ahead and get back out. Then I'm back out. Then I'm back out. Southpaw, same thing is available for you. I'm coming off of that jab, dip, right hand, roll under, or rear hand. And that is your heavy bag emphasis today. Warm up is going to be head movement emphasis. Have videos for that. And the cool down is going to be head movement emphasis. But that is what you're doing on the bag today to work on your head movement and incorporate the combination to attack your opponent. Get after it, get better today. I'll see you on the next one.